His third question was, some people say listening to music is not haram unless you are enjoying it. So unless you're tapping on the steering wheel while driving, or you're beating with your foot when you're listening to music, or you're dancing and enjoying it, this is haram. But if you listen to Beethoven while having dinner, then this is okay. Subhanallah, who said it's okay? So because you're not being influenced to it. Okay, then why not have, during having dinner, a glass of red wine, 1986, for example, a good year. Why not? I'm not gonna get intoxicated, I'm just gonna drink a little bit. So, oh no, wine is haram. Why? Irrespective, it's haram. And likewise, music. Irrespective whether it touches your heart, it makes you this or that, it is totally prohibited. And giving such justifications is playing around with Islam. Something that is haram, it's haram. End of story. Don't give justifications to it that are not mentioned in the Quran or in the Sunnah.